Using pool salt might seem like a pretty straightforward product for pool maintenance, but there's more to consider than you may think. In this video, we'll look at the ins and outs of pool salt. So, what is pool salt? While it seems like regular salt and has the same chemical compound as regular salt, sodium chloride, pool salt is specifically prepared to work with salt chlorine generators. So, if you maintain the right salt levels in your pool, it will in turn help to maintain the right chlorine levels in your pool, thus resulting in a cleaner pool. Joining me today is one of our resident pool experts to talk about just how important your choice of pool salt is.
That's right. So just like quality petrol improves your car's performance, the better quality pool salt you add to your pool, the better it will perform. Let's compare our ultra-fine pool salt to competitor rock salt and the effect it can have on your pool. Lower quality pool salt that is less than 99% pure may contain unnecessary metals and organic contaminants. This can cause cloudy water, scaling, and even staining on your tiles. A lower quality pool salt also won't dissolve as easily, so you'll have to sweep it thoroughly to avoid staining.
Pool salt should look fine and white, with evenly sized granules.
That's right. If you see any irregular shapes or colours in your pool salt, that's a sign of impurities. Choosing the purest solution will provide the best pool care and save you time and effort.
Another great option for pool salts is pool minerals. If you're interested in the use and benefits of pool minerals, click on the link above. So look out for Poolwerx's pool salt and pool mineral range for high quality supplies. If you don't know where your nearest Poolwerx is, simply click on the link to find out.
And for more pool smart tips and DIYs, do check out the rest of our pool problem solving series.